Good morning, dear students. So now today we are going to start chapter number 10. Chapter name is circles. Okay. So firstly we are going to read some parts of circle, some main its major parts, its segments we are going to discuss in this video. Okay. You are as usual to know that this is a circle, O is a center. If you join from the circumference of center, then you have to get a radius. It means OP is a radius. And if O is joined here, suppose that any number here, then this whole line is a diameter. Okay. Now this one, this is a circle. Inside circle interior part and outside circle is a exterior part. Clear? Now in this diagram you easily see that PQ is a diameter because if it's passes through center and it is a greatest chord, but PQ is a simple chord. Okay, and this is not greatest chord. So greatest chord of the circle is a diameter, and another we are draw many chords. Okay, like PQ. Next one, this one, this is circle. If you have to cut in two parts, this arc is very small, so this is a minor arc. Okay, and this arc is very big, so this is a major arc. Is it clear? Major arc, minor arc. ठीक है. Next one, this is a semicircle. Now we are going towards here. This chord divides in circle in two equal parts. So maximum part we called it major segment, and this portion is called minor segment. Similarly, this is a major segment, this is a minor segment. Okay. So now we are going towards our exercise 10.1. This is only fill-ups and true false. Okay, these are very easy and very basic. Okay, so no need to I think revise it. Okay, but I am going to read one or two true false. Clear? First one is line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is a radius of the circle. Yes, true, because if you have to take any circle, okay, this is a center, and if a center joined to any part on the circle, okay, then this is called a radius, then this is a true. Okay, and you have to also give reason. Okay, reason behind this is as radius is used in two senses, in the sense of the line segment and also in the sense of a length. Same procedure is going here. Chords, okay, or center joining any point on the circle, that is called length, or as usual we know that this is also pronounced that radius. Is it okay? So next exercise we are going toward here. Yes, exercise 10.2. okay, in 10.2 given AB and CD are two equal chords. AB and CD are two equal chords. Okay, center O, and you have to prove that AOB is equal to COD. Okay, these two angles are equal. So we are going to prove our previous result, congruency of triangles. Okay, and how to do it? In triangle AOB and COD, firstly you know that OA is equal to OC. OA is a this part of triangle and OC is a this part of triangle. Okay, this is equal to this. Why? Because both are radius of the circle. Clear? Same as OB is equals to OD. Why? Because this line and this line, this is also radius. This is the second proof. And next, third one is this is given AB and CD are two equal. It means this is AB and this is CD. Clear? So three proofs we already proved that. So it means this is SSS congruence. We have these two triangles are congruent. So triangles are congruent, then it means each and every angle and corresponding sides of these two triangles are always equal. So angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Is it okay? Clear? And same as, yes, this question is very, very important. In this question, exercise 10.3, circle is given and you people find out the radius. Sorry, you people find out the center. ठीक है, center अपन को पता नहीं है, ਆਪਾਂ find करना है. So what we will do? See, firstly suppose करो ये circle है. Okay, you have to take two chords AB and BC. Okay, दो chords ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ ਬੱਚੇ, ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦਾ perpendicular bisector. Bisect ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ? AB chord है, ਐਨੀ ਕੰਪਾਸ ਖੋਲ ਲਓ ਲਾਈਕ ਦਿਸ, ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਖੋਲਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮਤਲਬ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਮਿਡ ਤੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਕ ਹਾਫ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ. ਓਕੇ, ਇੰਨੀ ਕੰਪਾਸ ਖੋਲੋ. ਨਾਓ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਡਰੋ one arc here and same as put your compass here and one arc is here and one arc is here. These two arcs cut on their previous arcs. So this cutting point you have to draw a line which passes through these two arcs. So PQ is a perpendicular bisector. Same as we people draw perpendicular bisector of BC, this one RS, and you see that PQ and RS cut at O. Okay, so it means this is a center of the circle. Okay, so students, do it. So now done all this work. Thank you.